Good afternoon everyone. I hope you have heard to the first video and you are perfect in it now. So let's start with the next video. So the next topic is how to move the taskbar. First of all, I should tell you the taskbar is the bottommost bar of the desktop. Now see beta, this is our taskbar and this is my mouse pointer. Now see, two buttons are there. One is the left mouse button and one is the right mouse button. Left mouse button, right mouse button. So what will I do? I will take my mouse pointer from here to the taskbar. See, my mouse pointer has gone to the taskbar. Now I will keep on holding the left mouse button from here. See, I am holding the left mouse button. I have pressed it, long press. Then I am moving my taskbar from here. See, my taskbar has come to the right side. Now see, if I want my taskbar to move again at the bottom position, again I will take my mouse pointer to the taskbar. It has come here. Now I will long press the left mouse button from here. See, I have pressed it. Now see, I am dragging my mouse button and the taskbar. See, my taskbar is on the position again. So you will practice it again and again. This is the dragger. You have to drag the mouse pointer from here. Okay. Now see how we will lock the taskbar. This is the second point. See beta, I am taking my mouse pointer to the taskbar. It has come here. Anywhere you can take it. Here, 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 anywhere on the taskbar. So I have taken it here. Now this is the right mouse button. I will press it. See, I am pressing it. Now see, the options have come. What are the options? It is toolbars, cascade, windows, show windows tagged, show open windows, start task manager, lock the taskbar. See, now I will click on lock the taskbar. Now the taskbar has locked. If I want to move it, see, I am moving it. I cannot move it beta. I cannot move it. Taskbar is locked. Now see beta here. These are my icons. I can move my icons also anywhere on the screen. See, if I want to move this icon, how will I move it? I will take my mouse pointer to this icon. Then again I will hold it from the left mouse button. Press it for long and then drag from here. Drag it anywhere on the screen. If I want to drag it here and leave the mouse button. See, my icon has come here. So in the same way you can arrange these icons on your desktop any way you want. Like if I want my recycle bin should not be here, it should be here in the corner. So what I will do? I will take my mouse pointer here. I will long press the left mouse button here. Now I will drag it. See, it is getting dragged to the rightmost corner. See, my recycle bin has come here. So this is the way you drag your taskbar and you drag your icons. So beta, you can lock the screen also. How you can lock the screen? So that no one touches sometimes your brothers and sisters misbehave with the laptop and do mischievous things. See, I have kept my mouse pointer anywhere on the screen. I will press the right mouse button. See, this is the right mouse button. I have pressed it. See, icons have come. Then I will go on the personalize window. See, this has opened. And from here, you can select any background or screensaver. But first of all, let me tell you about how to lock your icons. See beta, I have pressed the right click, then view. Now I will untick this option, auto arrange icons. If I will untick it, I can move my icons here and there by dragging. But now I want to lock it, so I will press the right button, then we will go on view, then after view we will go on auto arrange icons button and tick it. Now see, I cannot move my icons. See, I cannot move. My icons are not moving here and there. They are fixed to a place. See. Now see beta, go on view option. You can make your icons large also by ticking on the large icons option. See how large your icons are now. Now again we will bring it to medium size. See, medium icons. Now more small you want, you can again right click on the desktop, view and small icons. See, they are so small now. So in the same way you will also practice it beta. Bye bye. In the next video I will tell you how to apply background and screen saver. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.